William Dodson, 18, beaten, broken, nailed to a cross. The unsolved murder and grisly crucifixion has terrified the residents of Topanga Canyon, a rugged, sparsely populated part of Los Angeles that was once home to Charles Manson and his cult. Now, 6 weeks after the murder, police say Colin Clark, 17, is their prime suspect. He was a classmate of the dead boy. Clark has been described as a strange loner by neighbor D.M. Eckstein, owner of the property where the body was found.
It's horrible. They found the boy on my property. People are scared.
Moments ago, attorney Ron Trott arrived at the Clark home, which tells me charges against Colin are imminent. No word yet on how police came to focus on Clark, but the detectives I've spoken to are very confident they have their man.
A crime this bad is guaranteed to produce two things: media coverage and pressure on the police to arrest somebody fast. Should have hired us sooner.
I didn't think we needed a lawyer. The police told us Colin wasn't a suspect.
They lied. Don't worry. We will handle this.
Clark has a prior arrest for spray painting pentagrams like the ones found at the crime scene.
A juvenile arrest. She's not supposed to mention it. By law, she's not even allowed to name him as a suspect because he's a minor. She's going to pay for this. This is Alden Tuller, one of my partners. And Betsy Harrison, ex-LAPD, our firm's investigator.
They're coming with warrants. A search warrant for here and an arrest warrant for Colin.
Oh my God.
It's their probable cause.
The warrant says he confessed.
When?
I never confessed.
Not just confessed. The police say you bragged about killing Dodson because you hated him.
I did hate him. He beat the hell out of me a few months ago. He broke my arm. William was a jerk, but I didn't kill him.
I should have gotten him out of here. Should have gotten to Mexico the minute we saw the news.
No, I don't need to run away, Dad. I didn't do anything wrong.
How could you even think Colin could be capable of something like this?
I didn't say he did it, Deb. But look at the news. How's he gonna get a fair trial out of this? I'm just trying to protect him.
If Colin went on the run, we'd never see him again, Jack.
No one is running anywhere. Are the police going to find anything we need to know about?
Here they come.
Oh God, I'm gonna be sick.
Alden, look at him. We've got to clean him up.
Hold on. You playing games, ADA killer? He told his parents Colin wasn't a suspect.
Things changed, Luther. Look at you. You used to be a DA, now you're just another defense lawyer.
Nobody goes inside that house until I see a valid search warrant.
Take your time, Tom. We've got press watching. I want people to see you obstructing the investigation.
We have warrants.
We're lawyers for the Clark family. They're invoking their rights to remain silent. Understand?
Great teacher, those are my school supplies. And my students' drawings.
Deb, don't talk.
If my kids ever put anything like this on the walls, I'm kicking them out of the house.
That's not good.
When Keller sees that, it's gonna make his day end his case.
He already knows about it. It's listed on the search warrant as part of their probable cause to arrest Colin.
What about the confession? Did it say who he confessed to?
An anonymous source. That's helpful.
They could get a conviction just by showing the jury this room.
The kid's got bad taste. That's your case? It's pathetic.
You've got no witnesses and no murder weapon, and I don't buy that he confessed to you. It's on the news, so I know you're feeling the heat to do something. But what's your evidence?
See that painting? That's what your client did to William Dodson.
They took all my tools. I'm a landscape architect. My guys need those tools.
The police are about to search Jack's car.
Why? Have you been driving my car again? I told you not to.
The car's not on the warrant. They're not allowed to search it.
The media's out there. If we stop the police, it looks like we're trying to hide something bad. Plus, they'll just get a supplemental warrant and search the car anyway.
No, they won't. They already tried it. The judge who signed the warrant struck cars off it. He said they lack probable cause.
Is there anything incriminating in the car, Colin? Don't lie.
There's nothing. Colin is innocent.
Will you please just let Colin answer the question, Deb?
I have some spray paint cans in the trunk of the car.
They found spray-painted pentagrams at the murder scene.
Why would I tag next to a body? Well, why not just sign my name? I'm not stupid.
Stop talking! Don't let the police search the car.
For Lazo, you guys are out of Devonshire Division. Can I give you some advice? Don't touch the car.
Your warrant is for the house. The car is outside the scope of the warrant. If you want to be named in the lawsuit, pop the trunk. I promise you will see me again.
What the hell are you doing? Nothing. I grabbed it out of Colin's room before the cops came. I didn't want him to find it. What? You blame me? What would you do? He's my son.
We cleaned him up as much as we could, but they still have photos of what he looked like before. Plus that stuff in his room. It's bad. It makes him look guilty.
Yeah.
But he's not guilty. He can't be.
Yeah. We got our work cut out for us on this one.
100% innocent.
I'm the innocent bystander. Somehow I got stuck between a rock and a hard place. And the lawyers' guns are mine.
Like I always say, if you got the right lawyer with you, we've got the greatest legal system in the world.
Jack hid a hammer from the police during the search. What do we do about it?
Ethically, you've got no obligation to get the hammer. Or tell the police. We don't even know if it had anything to do with the murder.
Clearly Jack thinks it might, which means he thinks Colin might have murdered William Dodson.
What Jack thinks isn't evidence. And we don't have to tell the police what he did either. The family is the client. You can't incriminate the client.
Okay. Let's not get anyone else involved. I'm not going to tell Ron or Alden what I saw.
Okay. Tom. You did nothing wrong.
My client is 17 years old. He is a minor. His name should have never even been released to the media.
Minor or not, Trott's client will be tried as an adult. Deputy DA Kerr filed papers this morning transferring the case from juvenile court to Superior Court. For the record, we're sorry for any pain we may have caused Mr. Trott's client or his family by releasing his name in an earlier broadcast.
I love making that woman apologize. So.